Good morning, it's day 65. Peter and Doxie going to Queensland, and here we are today in Double Island Point. Yeah, look, beautiful sunrise there, and the colours of the cliffs are amazing. But yeah, that kind of pales into insignificance at the moment with what's going on. If you watched yesterday's video, you'll know we had a bit of problem when we came in here last night with the running of the engine. Not the engine itself, but long story short, I had dinner over with Greg and Kim on La Fiesta. Greg came back and looked at things because he's a jack of all trades, and discovered that the engine's actually moved on its mount, which puts the propeller shaft out of alignment. So hence the engine would go in neutral, but put it into gear forward or aft, and yeah, all sorts of noises. It even stopped the engine. So yeah, I have called the Coast Guard in Tin Can Bay, who very kindly are putting a team together at the moment to come in and bring me in, which is going to be my way of getting across the Wide Bay Bar. So this is the trip that keeps on giving. It's sort of one thing after the next, it seems, but we'll get through this, and yeah, anyway, let's see what the morning brings, but it's going to be not quite as planned, that's for sure. This is video taken by Kim and Greg on La Fiesta, very kindly. As I came in, you can see the full moon just rising, and Doxie right there on the left hand side. That's around about before all hell started breaking loose, and yeah, when I tried to put it in reverse to dig the anchor in, yeah, lots of noise and engine stopping. So anyway, had a great night on board La Fiesta afterwards, so quite happy with that. Well, here we are at Double Island Point, which is behind me. We're in the bay. Doesn't seem to have a name. There's the moon about to go down. Yeah, as I was saying yesterday about the colours, they're starting to come up now. Boats are starting to leave for Wide Bay Bar. And that's La Fiesta. I just stopped by to say goodbye. And off they go. Alright, well, the Coast Guard is on their way from Tin Can Bay. They said they'll probably be taking about 35 minutes or so. Obviously they don't have to worry about the bar crossing in the same way that us yachts do, so they get hit quite quickly. So well, we should be in time for this tide, which is just yeah, glad I called them first thing. I wish I could enjoy this stunning day. It really is. It's beautiful. It actually feels warm. There's no breeze to speak of, so every now and then a little zephyr comes through, but it's flat calm at the moment, which obviously makes it perfect for this little operation we're going to have. So yeah, let's keep an eye out for him. He should be approaching sometime in the next little while. Okay, so it's 9:08. Spoke to Coast Guard just a few minutes ago. They should be exiting the bar sometime soon, and probably be here in the next however minutes. Just keeping an eye, not seeing anything yet, but yeah, they're on their way. Okay, so here comes the Coast Guard, Cooloola Rescue 3. That's the vessel coming in from Double Island Point direction. They promised me a big yellow one. Yeah, she is. Right, here we go, under tow. So, yes, another ignoble departure from somewhere. Oh well. Going fast though, look. So yeah. And here we are looking at the sand hills, cliffs, whatever. All the different colours I talked about yesterday. That must be Rainbow Beach down the end there. thing. See a few houses and stuff. So looks like a bit of a sand plateau at the top there too. And we're chugging along at about 7 knots at the moment. Right, it's pretty hard to video here at the moment. Roller coaster ride here. I'm trying to keep lined up with the towboat there. There she is. Fraser Island and the actual passage there. Obviously, or not obviously, but we're going further north and then coming back down through the Wide Bar Bay crossing. So fortunately the conditions are pretty calm today. And the yacht that was next to me, they look like they're actually going to sail right outside of Fraser Island. About 100 odd miles to get up there. Getting close to the fairway now, which is the beginning of the track across the Wide Bay Bar. There's a cruiser up ahead that gives you an idea of which direction we're going to be going. And then you track back along the shore, back to the channel back there. So yeah, you're going along the shore there for quite a bit. Just dodging all the shallows and other things that would spoil your day. Okay, so we're now making a turn into the first channel. Progressing further up. Just looking around to where we came from, back there. Double Island Point, Rainbow Beach. Pretty much over the shallowest part now, and the next marker basically can be seen on that shore over there. Not easy to film at the moment with one hand, but we're just going side onto the swell now, which is rather uncomfortable. And you can see outside here the breakers breaking on that bar out there, and the conditions are pretty calm, so that's what it's like. Okay, and I'm just taking pictures of the sky. All right, I'm just into the second leg now. Just taking it side on. Oh yeah. I'm trying to balance. Okay, you can see out there the breakers. So that's what we've come around basically, and hopefully once we're a bit further inside them, this damn rocking will stop. Yeah, it's been pretty full on the wheel here, trying to just keep things straight. Yeah, we're going a bit left here, but the depth would indicate that to our right it's shallow, and you probably see the activity on the water there, which doesn't look too good. Probably not the ideal time to be coming in, the beggars and all that. So it looks calm on the other side of that wash. So I think we're just going to make a detour around it a bit. It's relatively deep here, so shouldn't be a problem. Okay, so that's the southern tip of Fraser Island, basically. So Kagari, Fraser Island, largest sand island in the world. I don't know how many other sand islands there are, so I don't know if the competition was hot or not. Lots of activity in the water there as the tide's going out, ripping through there, and yeah, we're just going to go around that, as I said before. So you can see four-wheel drives on the beach there, four-wheel drive paradise. Just watch out for the dingoes if you get out, and go for a walk. There we go. It looks calm, but it's still quite challenging. There's a little bit of lumpiness, and the tide's coming out, so it's fighting it. So yeah, surges and whatever. You can see the lumpiness here, basically. Very smoothed over. Don't let that fool you. Anyway, you can see the turbulence on that side as well. So the water is pouring out of here, obviously. It's just, if I was on my own engine and stuff, I would not be coming in at this time of the day. It should be done basically in the last 2 hours of the incoming tide. and swell below 1.5, winds below 15 knots, etc. So yeah, not to be taken lightly, this place. But once you're inside, you're inside. Right, very intense at the moment. I'm surfing. It's not going to do it now with my shaky hands. Yeah, okay. I was just having white water all around me as it passed me. I was thinking about going up the bow and hanging 10, and I thought, yeah, perhaps not. Didn't bring the water skis. Just as well, I'm no good at it anyway. That's the mainland. That's Fraser Island. You can just see a car ferry going across there. Another one just went the other way. They just crossed over. But yeah, just keeping bringing people onto Fraser Island and taking them off. You can see a whole mob of four-wheel drives heading off down the beach when the ferry lands. So it's a constant to and fro. Definitely people love driving on the beach. Now I know why those cars are all there. They're waiting for the ferry. Manta Ray. Looks like you can't get away with anything these days. Thanks, Kim and Greg, for this bit of footage. I'll tell you what, if there's any Barneys left on the boat, man, they deserve their place. Absolutely boiling there under the hull. We're doing about 6 knots, but it'll be more than that through the water. That's just using GPS speed. So, and there it is, the Great Sandy Strait. Beautiful day in here. Well, we're going up the arm to the south, which will bring us into Tin Can Bay. This is Tin Can Inlet or river. I should have looked at the map first, as usual. And yeah, anybody want to do some wakeboarding? We've got some for you. Just passing Carlo and Carlo Creek. It must be almost at the back of Rainbow Beach. Maybe I've just got that wrong. So you can see the sand sort of plateau over there, which we could see from the sea earlier on, from the other side. So that's Tin Can Bay, the town of, up ahead. So it's basically waterways both sides of it. The one to the right is where the marina is, but it's a bit of a thoroughfare, so not really suitable for anchoring. The boats you see up there are permanent moorings. So we'll be going on this side to the left. Yeah, and then on Monday, obviously I'll need to sort out who can do what, and yeah, whether I need to get onto the marina or not. The guy said they'd probably come out and fetch me anyway. So seems like the best solution at the moment. Don't really want to be paying marina fees unless I have to. So once I know what the solution's going to be, then yeah, that may or may not include going onto the marina to get the work done. Probably will do. Not far to go. Just looking back behind us now, the hill in the middle there is Fraser Island. So yeah, it's quite a long way upstream here. My original plan was not to come here on the way up, but probably on the way back in case I get here and need to wait somebody for White Bay Bar conditions to be perfect, or as near to as possible. But hey, all the best laid plans, right? And particularly on this trip, definitely been a thing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Great job with thanks. That was a ride. Okay, well, we're all ensconced here at anchor at Tin Can Bay. Who knows how long for? Played this game before. yeah, other than that boat in the background, the silence is just tangible. Literally had buzzing ears, which is nice. Very nice. But, yeah, what a peaceful place. Incredible. I think I just feel like relaxing. Time to unwind with a book. I think I need it. Well, the end of another big day, which was different from all the other ones. Yeah, so happy to be here in the safe Anchorage at Tin Can Bay. It's smooth as out there on the water. So still, it's fantastic. So looking forward to a good night's sleep. I think it's just, yeah, I'm feeling exhausted, I got to tell you. It's 20-something degrees and I feel freezing. So, yeah, I think I need a good sleep. So, anyway, tomorrow we'll see what I do. Maybe we'll get out and do a bit of looking around. Might as well while we're here. Nothing else we can do. Yeah, Monday morning we'll start making inquiries about getting this stuff sorted so we can all get moving again. So anyway, I'm going to make myself some dinner. I'm starving, I'm tired, and I am so ready for bed. So if you haven't, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't know the drill because you haven't done it yet. Anyway, do it now. And this is Dawn Raider, out. Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.